There is a green hill far away, where a thistle grows, and there a sodger laddie fell for glory, I suppose. His name was Thompson, jock to friends. I met him last at Neardy, just afore he went to war, to prove he wasna feardy. Anyway, the tale's to tell, Jock didna die wi' honour. He'd maybe's no hae deed at all if he'd been a faster runner. Or if he'd just sat where he was, once the fechten started. But when I had dropped in his lap, Jock just got up and darted. He dropped his gun and run, quite where he wasna caring. When in the haze a bullet blazed and through Jock's heart went tearing.
Doesn't it matter?